Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today's June 28, 2021. Take a look at my chart. We're going to talk about workhorse and see if this is the next meme stock, the next stock that Reddit traders are looking at to try to see if they can increase the price. Now, I'm going to show you all the price prediction in a way that is unconfusing, that is not complicated, just to show you that you can do the same thing, right? And we want you, if you want, you can join our team, could join this community that we are building to make sure that everyone in our camp can get in position and actually dominate in this space. Now, you may be asking, well, how can you do that? Well, you speculate, right? You put in predictions, you forecast where price is going to go so that when the trap takes the price there, you can already be there waiting on him to get to your particular level and take the bag once he gets there. This is how you're able to get that competitive advantage in the market. So we're going to show you all that today for workhorse. And we're going to see if Redditors, if the retail traders can actually have an impact on where this price in the workhorse is going to go. So strap in, hit the like button, share, subscribe here to the channel as well if you want to continue to see our price prediction that we are garnering in this market, in the stock market. Okay. All right, so now the last time we did our video in workhorse, you guys can see we did a price prediction. And for us in our community, we are being fully transparent as to where we're stating the price is going to go in the market for these stocks. And we said that the price in workhorse is going to go higher. Now, let me zoom in and show you what the trap did against what we expected him to do, right? We told you all that we was looking for the price to go higher, and we did our last price prediction on the 25th, which is literally the same day. Right here, the market in workhorse already in one day came all the way up there to our TP price, our ultimate TP price. It did that already. So this is one instance to where our prediction planned out literally the same day. Now, sometimes the market moves fast, sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes you have to wait, surveil the landscape, and see whether or not the price is still giving you what you're expecting it to do. This one, it didn't work out that way. That strength still came into the market in workhorse. And not only that, if you couldn't capitalize on the 25th, the same day that we did our price prediction, you still had opportunity to come through and at least skimmer off some more profits all the way throughout the month of March. Okay. Mid-March, you had opportunity to get 18.75% out the space right before the price dipped. Okay. Came all the way down to $8 as support. So hopefully you all was able to join our team back in March to capitalize on that trade. Excellent job. But now that is over. We need to ensure that we are getting in position to capitalize into the market and workhorse now. And I would tell you, so far, so good. The price still looked like it wants to go high in workhorse. Just looking at the chart, bare, nothing on our chart, no indicators, no nothing. We're just looking at price bars and the volume, and it actually looks pretty healthy for this stock to go higher. Okay. Now let's be calm. Let's be cool. Let's not, be amped. Let's not be gassed up to think that workhorse is going to go all the way back up to $42, $44 right now. But I will tell you that when you see these type of volume bars, okay, take a look at this one that came into the market on June the 3rd. Big institutions came in on that day. And take a look at the result, right? Did we see the price in the workhorse drop from that day? We haven't. Price has been maintaining itself right there above 14. So what does it mean? Buyers are there. That literally tells us that buyers are coming to the market in workhorse right now. So in this prediction, okay, we need to make sure that we hold that support area right around this vicinity. Okay, so let me do this. Let me extend this out a little bit further so we can gauge if this is actually a strong area of support, and it really is. You guys can see all the way back in August of 2020, the market in workhorse was really hugging that area too, and we were seeing that area hold as support. So I'm pretty much expecting the same thing occur here. Okay, so you can see that the highs into the market in workhorse during that time period in July and August of 2020 was around $17.50 to $18. Okay, we're at $15.60 now. So I can definitely see the price in the workhorse trying to come up there towards $17.50 to $18 over the next couple of weeks. Okay. And that is strictly going to be based on us holding the support line, which is around $14. Okay. So let me show you what we look like in workhorse on a 3-day time frame. Still looks pretty good. Okay. I want to show you again that the market volatility, the volume has been on a decrease, which kind of lets us know that the market is almost done with trading at this particular price level, and you would expect us to move to another price to where the trap can conduct its business. Okay. Let's do this on a weekly. I do like what's going on the weekly time frame. Now, how we ended last week still shows me that there's still a tag, some weakness, some selling still going on into the market in workhorse. So we're not exactly that strong, but we're strong. Okay. So that's why I'm not necessarily expecting the market in workhorse to give us like a massive breakout, but the prospect of higher price is still on the table. And this is the 5-week time frame. So we've definitely seen an increase in volume on this last completed 5-week price bar, but we didn't close on the high. So like I'm telling you earlier, like I told you earlier, we're still seeing the prospect of some selling going on. So I'm not extremely bullish into the market in workhorse yet, but it's still giving us the prospect of higher price. And that's how we're going to continue to play this market. Okay. So let me go ahead and put this back on the daily time frame. And let's see what we could get out the market. I said that 1750 will be that first area TP, right? That's about 11-12% market movement up there towards 18, which is about 15. Our support area is right there on $14, and we might trade sideways for another week, 2 weeks, who knows? But then eventually we'll see this market break out as long as this price stays above 14. So that's where we're going to hinge our price prediction on. Okay. Now I'm not telling you that that's where you need to put a stop loss, because we don't place stop losses on our trades. That is precisely how the trap wins against us, because he can see every stop loss on the books, and he'll take our price, or he'll take the price all the way down to where we have our stop loss, take us out our position, and then the price will go higher. So only you need to know where you're going to exit out your position. Don't ever tell nobody where you'll exit out your position, because they can use that to their advantage and to our detriment. We cannot have that. So now this is what we're seeing into the market in workers right now. Definitely seeing some interest being involved into the market. Is it the Redditors? Is it retail traders? I really don't care, because what the chart is reading to me is that people are interested in bringing this price higher. Whether it's Redditors, whether it's retail traders, whether it's hedge funds, whether it's massive financial institutions, it doesn't matter. We can still participate and win right alongside with these people. So join us. Tell us your price prediction in the market for workhorse. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and welcome to the team.